traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So before we do that, I just wanted to mention that next week I am on vacation, so the next videos that will be coming out on YouTube will be Monday, October 7th. But I definitely will be trading next week, and I definitely will be giving signals to my members. So if anybody is interested in that, definitely check out my website. So anyways, I still think this is very likely an A, a B, and a C of wave Y that we have forming now. I'm definitely still very bullish. I still think it needs to take out this high and most likely eventually take out the previous high over here. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we are starting to break out of this high right here, probably a pretty significant area of resistance, but I still think this is a wave A, I think this is a wave B, and I think we're in a wave C now. So I think this is a 1, a 2, and I think we are in a wave 3 of wave C. Now if it is a wave 3 of wave C, then on these weekly time frames it needs to continue to make higher highs, higher lows in order to confirm that it really is a wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we are kind of bouncing around a little bit. We have like 3 or 4 daily candles all kind of consolidated, but the trend is definitely up. There's no breaker structure, there's no fib bounce, there's no lower high. The trend is definitely still up, and I'm still looking at this as possibly being a 1, 2, 3 of wave 3, so a subdivision of the wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. For me, the last major structure level on the 4 hours right here. So it can pull back all the way to here and still be in an uptrend for me. So even if it does go down, I'm definitely not looking for any shorts. I'm definitely still looking for longs at the end of all pullbacks that I see for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it looks like it's trying to continue the uptrend. Now I have my Fibonacci retracement on this last move up right here. I'm looking for 3 waves down. I'm looking for a fib bounce. A lot of the dollar pairs kind of look like this could be a wave A, so we do have to realize that this move up actually could be a crescent to the move down, and it possibly could go down again and make more of a proper looking ABC crescent, bounce off one of these fib levels before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. Now often what we think is a wave B is actually just the continuation of the uptrend, and the trend is up on literally every single higher time frame. So we definitely should continue to look for longs. Whether it actually makes a wave C or not is questionable. It could easily just keep on trending up from here. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.